Every Gradelink website comes with ongoing hosting and support. The Gradelink website support team takes care of all the security and back-end website management so that you don't even have to think about it. We have a stellar track record with website security and have implemented best practices, including daily security updates and malware scanning, various hack protections, and a secure and stable hosting environment. For support, you'll get a dedicated website account representative to help with training and updates or revisions to your website. They'll only be a phone call or an email away to handle any training sessions so that you can learn to make updates to your own site or help you with fixes, updates, and revisions to your site anytime. As part of your ongoing website support, you have 1 hour per month that can be used towards any kind of website training, updates, or revision requests and support. You may accrue up to a maximum of 3 unused maintenance from previous months, and arrows may not be borrowed from future months. Each hour goes a long way, as our team is very efficient, and 90% of our clients do not go beyond the allocated time for website support. Should any website project or support exceed the allotted time by a significant amount, we will give you advance notice and a proposal with a one-time fixed project fee based on any remaining tasks, and any remaining time from your website support and maintenance allotment will be taken into account.